Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well and doing great in your lives. So today, the topic I'm going to talk about is very interesting and also very important. As I mentioned in my previous video, becoming a better version of yourself, what we call inner work, is not as complicated as people often make it seem by using heavy words. These are just levels and they are named only so that you can understand which stage you are in and what you need to work on. So do not get scared by these terms, alright? You simply need to talk to yourself, heal yourself, and work on yourself. That's it. Now, I want to bring an extended version of that topic in this video. There were a few points I actually missed earlier and I want to add them here, okay? First of all, many people relate themselves to different spiritual topics. Maybe something in their life has triggered them, or they have experienced something deeply. Like someone might feel they are a star seed, someone might be on a twin flame journey, or someone might identify as a light worker or healer. Everyone has their own unique journey. Based on that, people start noticing signs and signals that connect them to specific levels or paths, and that's completely okay. But what I want to say is everyone's journey is different. Everyone has different question paper in life. Now, I'm not pointing out any spiritual guides or tarot readers as wrong. They are doing an amazing job. They guide people and help them, which is beautiful. But your responsibility is to remember one thing: their guidance is general. You should not assume that whatever is said applies exactly to you. First, know yourself, then understand your journey, and then use your intuition. You have your own path, and your intuition works for you. These guides are here to guide, but you need to see how their guidance matches your life. It doesn't have to match literally. If something doesn't resonate with you, don't force yourself to believe it. You need to observe your own life and ask, is this really matching my reality? For example, let's say someone talks about a zodiac sign like Scorpio. If I'm a Scorpio, then and I hear something that matches my current situation, I might start believing that whatever they say next about this, future will also happen for sure. And this is where people make a mistake. They start believing it 100%. You need to understand this is guidance, not a fixed truth. No one has seen tomorrow. Only God knows the future. What is shared in such videos is an assumption, a possibility. Just like weather forecasts. They say it may rain, but it doesn't mean it definitely will. So please do not put, pressure on yourself or lose control of your life thinking since it was said it will definitely happen. Have faith in positivity, yes, but first trust in, your intuition. If your intuition feels yes, this could possible, then accept it as a possibility, not a certainty. Your intuition is your connection to the divine. And if you believe in God as the ultimate guide, then remember, God never reveals the future completely. Okay? It's like an exam. Teachers set the question paper, but they never tell you exactly what will come in the exam. Instead, they give you a syllabus and guide you on what to prepare, right? Similarly, in life, God and spiritual guides prepare you. They tell you what might come so that you can be ready. Your job is not to assume that something will definitely happen. Your job is to stay prepared. Be prepared for every situation, whether good or bad. Stay balanced. Balance is the key. I have seen many people. I have seen many people, especially when they are going through, tough times, searching for answers like, when will things get better for me? And suddenly they come across a video saying, this is what will happen to you this year. If you are seeing these signs, then next month this will happen. Understand this. These are possibilities, not guarantees. They share like they are, they are shared to help you stay aware and prepared. It's actually a form of divine help, all right, coming through healers and guides, reminding you to stay ready so that if something does happen, you are not shocked or unprepared. That's the main point. So if you see something somewhere, don't get instantly influenced and give up your power thinking. Okay, now nothing can change. Nothing can change, that's not true. This is not the thing like you will, after listening all those guides, you will say, okay, I have heard this thing on that channel, particular guide, and this is the end of everything. No. Or this is that definite thing that will happen. No, that's, of course it might get matched, but that doesn't mean it will happen exactly what they said. Okay, you need to understand your role is to stay prepared at all times. All right, thank you so much. Take care of yourself. All right, may divine always bless you.